Hey everyone, it's Aditya here, and in this video lecture, we are gonna get a brief introduction to Python and its applications. Python was developed by Mr. Guido van Rossum in 1991, and it has quickly become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Now, Python can be used for almost anything from data analysis to web development, software development, solving higher mathematics complex problems, system scripting, and many more. Python can do a variety of tasks. Python can be used on a server to create web application as it can be used in the backend for a web application. It can also connect database systems and also capable of reading and modifying files. Now it can be used to handle big data and for rapid prototyping, which means for production ready software development. Now there are many reasons that why you should learn Python, but I have including some of them. Python works on different platforms. So if you are a Windows user, Mac user, Linux user, or even it can work on a MCU, that is microcontroller unit. Now it is just like the normal English language and it has very simple syntax as compared to other high level languages, which makes it easier to learn and another reason to go for Python. It has variety of open source libraries that basically to say if you want to perform a particular task in Python, like you can send emails in Python, object detection or face detection, or even do data analysis in Python, then there's a additional framework and libraries available to you that are open source that people have created that allow you to do those things in a very simple and effective manner. So I think it's enough for a introduction section. Introduce about what is Python. In the next lecture, we will start installing Python into our system and get ready to code. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy Python.